Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials, then signing in. Open the App Store, install OneDrive, and grant Photos access so uploads work. Next, tap Sign in and use your Microsoft or work account because that determines storage and sharing permissions. Once signed in, make sure background app refresh and mobile data uploads are enabled. This keeps your uploads consistent. These steps get the app ready to sync automatically. After this, you're ready to add files and configure folders. Now you'll add and arrange your content. Tap the plus button to upload photos, videos, or files from files. Use Scan to capture documents directly into OneDrive. Create folders and move or rename items so your structure is easy to navigate. This improves findability and sharing. If you turn on camera upload, new photos and videos will back up automatically, saving manual steps. Make sure you monitor storage usage. If you hit limits, remove duplicates or upgrade your plan. Finish by sharing and ensuring sync consistency. Select a file, tap Share, then choose Link or Specific People and adjust permissions because controlling access prevents accidental edits. To force a sync, pull down inside a folder. Make sure storage shows space and visit settings to confirm syncing options. If uploads or syncs fail, try toggling Wi-Fi, mobile data, and background app refresh, or sign out and sign back in. As a last resort, reinstall the app. This clears corrupted caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.